Hi anime lovers, this is Anirudh. Today I am going to give 10 hidden facts about Death Note's iconic hero L. Please watch, subscribe, like, share and comment. Capoeira is an Afro-Brazilian martial art using dance and music along with combat. The technique was developed by African slaves in Brazil during the 1500s to help them escape from their masters. In episode 18, Light and L engage in a fight while being handcuffed together. Initially, there was no intent for L's fighting style to be capoeira when manga artist Takashi Obata originally drew the scene. However, Sugumi Oba, the writer for Death Note, liked this theory enough to declare it canon. Ever wonder about L's origins? Since L grew up in Whammy's house, an orphanage for the gifted, the question stands of his place of birth. Whammy's house is in Winchester, England, and even produces successors to L. Oba answered this question by saying L is a mix of Japanese, English and Russian, as well as either French or Italian. L speaks 6 languages, although we don't get to see it showcased in manga or anime. L is fluent in Japanese, Chinese, English, Russian, French and German. Fans of the Death Note anime should be familiar with Nier and Mello, L's successors. The two reside at Watari's orphanage. However, they weren't L's only successors, nor were they the first. In Death Note, another note, it's mentioned that L had 2 other successors before Nier and Mello. The first child, known as A, couldn't handle the pressure of being L's successor and took his own life. The second, BB, short for Beyond Birthday, becomes a serial killer and is referenced in episode 8 when L is researching Naomi. He recognizes her from the Los Angeles BB serial killer case. BB dies from a mysterious heart attack in prison, rumored to be from Light's Death Note. To keep his identity hidden, L uses different names to avoid being written into a Death Note. One of these names is Hideki Ryuga. L uses the name of a Japanese actor, so he isn't recognized by Light when speaking at the entrance ceremony for Toho University. Another alias L has is during the Japanese task force meeting. L asks for everyone on the task force committee to refer to him as Ryuzaki. On some cases outside of the Kira case, L uses Heraldo Coil, the name of the second most famous detective. Additionally, L also uses Dinoue, the third most famous detective. Both Coil and Dinoue aren't present during the anime. Light is unsuccessful in uncovering L's name and must use Rem, Misa's Shinigami, to write L's name in the Death Note. Rem is a Shinigami able to see L's full name and lifespan. To save Misa, Rem sacrifices herself by writing L's name in the Death Note. Misa also had Shinigami eyes during the series and once knew L's name. When Misa is forced to give up a Death Note, her eyes disappear with it. In Death Note 13, how to read character profiles created by Oba and Obata can be found. There it states L's real name is L. Loliet and Loliet is pronounced as low light. L's diet consists mainly of sugary sweets, but he isn't overweight. As a result, he is estimated to 5 feet 10 inches and 110 pounds. L claims this is because of his immense amounts of brain power. In chapter 38 of Death Note manga, L states that it's easy for him to remain thin because his brain consumes all the calories from the sweets. As for drinks, L is seen drinking coffee and tea. In L's profile in the manga, it states that he also has a teacup collection. Before the Kira case, L worked with Naomi Misora on the Los Angeles BB murder case. As we know, Beyond Birthday was one of L's first generation successors and L is tasked with taking him down. The story can be found in Death Note, Another Note, the Los Angeles BB murder case, and it is a direct prequel to Death Note. It's fair to say that L is a strange character given the way he eats, sits, and acts. In episode 10, L is seen having a conversation with Light in a cave after a match of tennis. When Light explains to L that he doesn't need to sit crouched because there is nothing to worry about, he replies that there is no other option. L states that if he were to sit normally, his investigative abilities decrease by 40%. The thought process is that by crouching, there is a decrease in blood circulation downwards towards your legs and an increase in blood circulation up towards the brain. However, there is no factual scientific evidence supporting this theory. For fans looking to see more of L outside the Death Note franchise, Full Metal Panic: The Second Raid has an episode where L makes a cameo. In Full Metal Panic, L can be seen riding a bike through a transition scene of episode 6. The scene is short and doesn't provide much to the actual story other than a neat Easter egg for fans of the series. Looking past L, there are some other characters in the scene as he rides by. Light and his father as well as Misa can be seen making cameos as well. In the Death Note 13 How to Read manga, it states that anytime L gives a percentage of possibility to a person who he considers Kira, no matter the actual percentage, it really means he suspects that over 90%. Many times throughout the series, we see L give a percentage on the possibility of Light being Kira. Even during his internal monologues, he gives Light a false number. From the way L talks, he assumes Light to be Kira 100%, but can't get the evidence to prove so. I hope you liked my video.